Big breaking news coming hours after failing to prove majority in Puducherry Assembly. Narayanaswamy has spoken out to India today. He has gone ahead and accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of bribing Congress MLAs. Listen in to what he's told us.
So you have lost majority in the assembly today. What exactly happened, sir?
No, we have not lost majority. The BJP created artificial majority because we were 12 members. There were 11 members, elected members. The elected members alone constitute the voting right for confidence motion. But the BJP, using their power at the center and their money power, they lured some of our MLAs who have been duly elected, and they purchased some of the MLAs, and those people have resigned from the membership of the assembly. Therefore, they created this kind of crisis when I completed 5 years term as a chief minister, and when the speaker was told that the nominated members have no voting right as far as the confidence motion is concerned, he did not accept it. Therefore, we came out and submitted resignation to the Lieutenant Governor in charge. Where is the majority for them? If those 3 people nominated members, if they deleted, they are 11, we are 12. Even in spite of the fact 2 people resigned yesterday.
How come Speaker said that they have the votes then?
That as far as the Speaker is concerned, I cannot say anything, because as far as the confidence motion is concerned, the nominated members have no voting right, because for election of the president, they have no voting right. Then how can they claim? And even for Rajya Sabha members, they have no voting right. For confidence motion, how can they have voting right?
And what is wrong inside Puducherry government that several MLAs have resigned in just 15 days period?
No, it is not unexpected. BJP's ploy to lure people with money, using CBI, using ED, using income tax, threatened the people, and then making them to resign by using their power and money power at the center. This has been their pattern right from when they formed a government in our country. As a Prime Minister Narendra Modi and their combined, they have been targeting all Congress-ruled states. They did it in Arunachal Pradesh, they did it in Manipur, they did it in Goa, they did it in Karnataka, they tried in Rajasthan, they could not succeed. But when I completed 5 years term, hardly 5-10 days are there for code of conduct to come into force. What is the purpose in...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.